Randlin was kind enough to put the screws in for me so I don't have to do them individually. Hello everybody. So today we get to have all kinds of fun. We've had to rearrange our entire house and do a whole bunch of different stuff and get rid of stuff, and we had to buy a new headboard. So not anything fancy kind of video, but it's kind of fun. It's just something to make. Why not, right? So we are going to be putting together a headboard today. So if you guys get one and you need to learn how to do one, we're going to show you how to do it. Let's get started. So this is the box we got. We already tore it apart. I got to remove those two screws, those two screws, those two screws, and that one screw because one already fell out. And then I think those are the legs of the headboard, and we have to attach them to the top. So yeah, I got to find the right tools to do it because it requires, I think, a square bit, and I have a Phillips head. But oh, Randlin's got the Phillips head. Let's see if it works. She can do it while eating pizza. I need to get a bigger Phillips head or go find a square bit. No, let me find some tools. So I found the right bit for it. You just needed a bigger square Phillips head. So yeah, you ready to do this? Yeah, me either. So let's get it done. Oh, we got Randlin working. There she goes. Before she couldn't get it to work because she had it crooked. You have to go level, see? Straight up and down.
Is that good
perfectly
enough?
vertical?
Yeah.
No, you have to take it all the way out. Keep the screwdriver vertical. There you go, look at you. And then there's a, put it in the styrofoam over there. See how I have it squished like that? Because those have, no, put it in the styrofoam over there. Because that way we can, or put it in that one. I wanted to keep them all in the same one, but keep it vertical. There you go. When you turn sideways, it doesn't come out. Good thing is you only have one over here to do.
Don't I have?
Oh yeah, you have those two. That's what I said, but good thing is you only have one over here. You have these two and these two.
Gosh darn it.
I'll do these two. See, when you add some oomph, it works. Yay,
Okay.
Discard these screws is what it says right there. Discard the screws. Don't let it flop. Okay, you got it. You have to keep it vertical. There you go. You can't keep, you're twisting a screwdriver in different directions. There you go. Women and tools, it cracks me up. I apologize. I know some people that can use some tools that are better than me, so I shouldn't say that. Randlin and tools, there we go. She works
You want to do this by yourself?
She works at a hardware store. All right, let's get this done.
Show off.
I'm not a show off. See, keep the screwdriver vertical. It's a lot easier. All right, I'll hand you the screw. You can put it in the thingy there. Whoops, I dropped it. All right. This is so much fun. Don't you think? All right, let's get the last one over here. Last screw, the last screw. There we go. Dogs are going nuts. Yeah, this one looks like it got messed up. All right, that's that. So, yeah, let's get to the next step. So according to this, I can't use power tools. I have to use a screwdriver, and I have 16 of these screws. Should be easy, right? So I have to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 7, 8 screws in here. The problem is, if you look on this side, there's no pre-drilled holes. So how the hell am I supposed to do this without power tools? This better be easy. We'll see what happens. All right, so I've got it lined where it's supposed to go. Let's see how hard this is gonna be. I need a different Phillips head. Where's my other screwdriver?
Right there.
Oh, right here. Okay, this is the one I need the smaller screwdriver for. There we go. I knew I needed a smaller screwdriver, I just didn't know when. There we go. Let's see. Make sure this stays locked into place. There we go. hopefully this goes pretty easy. No, it's not bad at all. It's actually screwing in pretty good. There we go. 1 of 6. Well, technically 8. This is an awkward position to be sitting in, but we gotta do what we gotta do. Love how they put that little board there as a guide for you. Makes it a lot easier. And see, it's even still getting off. There we go. I'm gonna put these bottom ones in, that way it holds it in place. It doesn't say what order to put them in. So I'm gonna put them in whatever order they go in. Actually, I'm gonna have to move this over a little bit because it's not perfectly aligned. So that guide bar isn't even right. So, because there's a big old gap you can see from the edge of the thing. So in order to make it perfect, it has to be on the edge of this. And I got directions falling on me. That's okay, I don't care. The only room we had is in the back porch because it doesn't fit in the house. And I'm not putting it in the driveway, so back porch it is, right? The dogs aren't happy. Okay, let me get the last 2 screws out that go up there. And then we'll move to the other one once I get those in. Okay, so I guess I didn't need pre-drilled holes. This material is, well, let's just say affordable. It's affordable. That's how we call it. All right, got that. Let's get these 2 in. This side will be done, and we'll move over to the other side. All right, come on, get me good. There we go. Got big hands and I can't get in there. Oh, this cinches it nice and tight. All right. All right, that's that. Randlin was kind enough to put the screws in for me so I don't have to do them individually. We'll get these screwed in. Hopefully. Got it lined up properly. Yep, we're good here.
Just as long as I don't fall through.
Oh, you're not going to fall through this. Believe it or not, as affordable as this material is, it's actually pretty sturdy. So I'm actually quite impressed.
Well, that's what I thought.
Yeah, when the screws just go in without a power tool, it makes you wonder, but it's actually quite sturdy. When I put that other one on, I realized how nice and sturdy and firm this is going to be. So.
And it's pretty.
And it's pretty. We'll show you that when we're all done. We're not going to show you hooked up to the bed because I still have to go get all the bolts to put it to the bed. But this is a putting together video, not putting it on the bed video. Plus, I don't want you guys to see my bedroom. King size bed. Takes up the entire room. All right, let's get that there. Oof. It's sad, 16 screws. Yeah, I thought it was going to be a lot more work than this. I thought it was going to be pre-assembled when we bought it. They delivered it, dropped it off literally on the front door, didn't bring it in or anything. And it's to the front door service for free delivery. I'm like, what the heck kind of crap is that? Whee! Alright, there's that one. Get these last 2 to go up here. Whee! Once again, my big hands come into play, get in the way. Do it left-handed, that should be fun, right? Oh, it's a nice day outside. Finally, the cold's gone, but it's supposed to be back, I think, for a couple of days and then go into the 70s on Friday, right? Should be nice. Why is this not going in? Not enough pressure. There we go, I got it now. Come on, go on, there you go. All right, get this one in. Okay, got it started now. It started sliding on me. Let me get my knee up here. That might help. Ah, that works better. Now we're running crooked. Oh, wait, straighten this up. All right, that's that. So there's the headboard. You like it? It looks good, doesn't it?
It'll do its job.
Yeah, it'll do its job. Keep you from sliding off the bed, which is always a good thing. So there you go. Put that headboard together. So this wasn't an exciting video, but if you need to learn how to put together a headboard, there you go. Make sure you guys like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, leave a comment. Thanks for watching.